Okay guys, I'm back. Got the software installed. I still gotta find them two drivers, but I'm gonna show y'all how to enroll fingerprints on a biometrics using Proctor Suite or Protector Suite, or however in the hell you fucking say it. Start out, get in the system, just swipe your finger, it'll beep at you. Yes. I accept. Enter my password real quick. Okay. To achieve the best results, quality is important. Lay your finger flat on the sensor. Move your finger perpendicular to the sensor. Do not swing your finger at the end of the movement. Position your finger to the center of the sensor to achieve the best contact. Start scanning from the last knuckle joint. I don't want to run the tutorial. Oh. This finger is now enrolled. My thumb is now enrolled. This finger is now enrolled. This finger is now enrolled. This whole hand has now been enrolled. I'm only going to do the primary finger of the left hand in case this hand gets chopped off somewhere. Oh fuck it, I might as well go ahead and do all of them. I'm already this far. You have to do it 3 times in order to enroll it successfully. Both hands have been enrolled now, so. Everything's disabled. Okay. I'm gonna restart the computer, so... Okay, we're back. Gonna let me use the fingerprints, or is it gonna let me do my password? Cryptology. Cool. Just like my tablet. Well, like I said, I'm really the only thing I gotta do now is just install software. Like I'll put not Firefox. I'll probably use Google Chrome on this because Chrome's a little bit faster than Firefox. I use an internet computer for wherever I'm at, so. See, they're still unknown devices, but I'll try to get them found and get the software installed, and once I get that done, the computer will be finished. So this is now the end video for the Sony Vaio netbook deal. Well, see y'all on the next tutorial or project.